Hey friends, if you wish to install and use Steam on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, I have checked for Steam on the Microsoft Store and it doesn't exist there. So the only best option is to go to Microsoft Edge, search for Steam, and then go to this store.steampower.com. Click on Install Steam, click on Install Steam, click on Open, and then click on yes to give approval. Next, install, finish, and then just wait till Steam is installed. It will need a while, and after that it will lead you to the login page, but you'll have to wait for a while, a few minutes. Once Steam has installed, you can simply type your username or user ID and password. So you can use these, though you'll also have to encounter a captcha after that. But once you do that, you will be able to log in. All you need to do is click on sign in after that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.